Alright guys, so which one should we go with next? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by its toe. That one it is. Let's just see what we got here. Alright, let's see what we got. Wow, look at that right there. Matching, if not the greatest logo ever made in sports history. Then again, that's just my honest, humble opinion, so please don't quote me on that. Alright. I wonder what this can be, guys. Alright, let me put it on the bed so I can open it. Give me one sec, guys. I'm sorry. I'm trying to do this as gently as possible, right? This is a pretty, extremely difficult to find poster, that's why, you know. It's a pick of MJ, Pippen, and Rodman, or Superman, Batman, and Rodman, and it says on it, I bleed, as you can see right there, I bleed red and white. I'll try to give you guys a glimpse of it. I don't have someone that can hold the other end for me, but um, I'll show you. I'll show you what each one looks like. There's the left piece. All right, there you have it. That's Jordan and Pippen. Okay, now on to the worm in the self. We all know who that is. All right, give me one sec, guys. I'm sorry. And yeah, it is a glossy finish. All right, that's why it's so shiny. And what just fell was the I suppose the tape to put on. All right. Hold on a second. And here you guys have the other piece of it. All right. the size is the same size as that Jordan poster on my wall, the one of MJ right there in the air above the people. All right. So there you guys have it. Thank you for watching. I will actually drop the link to the to what the poster actually looks like in the video info. So make sure you guys check it out. All right, and let me know what you guys thought about that, and I will gladly get to you guys soon. All right, and I highly appreciate the patience. And have a blessed day. All right, take care.